When you add someone to Google Workspace, the system sends them an invitation email containing a link to set up their account. But that link only works for 48 hours. After that, it expires and Google doesn't give you a resend button. So here's what you need to do instead. We're going to go to the admin console at admin.google.com. Then go to Directory and Users. Find the person who hasn't signed in yet. Hover over their name with your mouse and then click on Reset Password. You've got two options now. You can auto-generate a password or type in your own. My recommendation is to use the default and auto-generate a password. Now click Reset. Click Email Password. A pop-up will appear, and here you're going to enter the user's external email address. I also always recommend checking Send Copy to Myself. This will send a copy of the login email to your administrator account. Click Send. On your new employee's end, they'll receive an email with a password reset button. They need to click on that button and then accept any terms and conditions that are shown, as well as create their own password. Basically, they're going to complete the setup that they didn't do in the first time round. Just a final note, this link also has a 48-hour limit on it, so make sure the new employee is ready to get started before doing any of this.